Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add items to your favorites in the Temu app so you can easily find them later. Let's get started. Open the Temu app on your phone and log into your account. Search for the product you're interested in by using the search bar or browsing through the categories. Tap on the item and scroll down a bit until you reach the product details section. You will see a heart icon on the right side. Tap it to add the item to your favorites. It will turn orange, meaning the item has been successfully added. To view all your saved items, go back and tap the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Then select Wishlist to see, add to cart, or remove your saved products. To remove an item from your favorites, simply open the product again, scroll down, and uncheck the heart icon. And that's it. Now you know how to add items to your favorites in Temu.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.